Hey guys, it's Maymay, and today we're going to do something a little different. So over the years that I have been on YouTube, I have shared some projects that I think are perfect last minute and almost last minute gifts for you to make for Christmas. So if you are looking for something you can make for somebody that you still have time to do, these are the ones. We have found 5 different projects. Tamitha has gone through and compiled clips for me to show you. And in the description of this video, we'll have a link to every one of the videos or series of videos to help you make them. So let's look at 5 projects you can still make before Christmas. So project number 1 is a monogram card and gift tag set. Now this box, you will create this one from start to finish from the ground up. We cut the chipboard, we create the entire thing ourselves, and this one was actually a gift for my mom. I remember making this one and how much I love being able to give this to her. And this is a parted series on my channel, a video series. So we'll have it linked in the description, and you can get this one made in no time and bring a big smile to somebody's face, and they can use these cards and tags for the whole year through. Project number 2 is a recipe card stand, and what I love about this one, besides the fact that you can make it from your stash, you're using chipboard and things like that, but this project stands up on its own. It's actually made to be a stand for someone in the kitchen. You can add recipes to this, your own recipes or maybe some family recipes, and then the recipient gets it. They can use it in their kitchen and have it standing on the counter for when they're actually cooking. The way the top is made, the recipes can flip all the way over and it can stand up right next to where they are. Now this one comes with a PDF too. There's PDF for you to print these pieces out. It's a super fun gift. It can be made pretty quickly, and the video that we have for you is linked below, so you can go check that one out and get this one made well in time for Christmas. Project number 3 is a legal pad journal gift. This project is so easy, and it was so popular when we did it. So many of you guys made them whenever I put this video out the first time, but this is a fun gift for you to be able to give to someone, to a teacher, to a friend, to add to maybe a gift basket or something like that. And again, you can use your stash. These legal pads are super easy to come by. I just pick them up at Walmart. I think I actually got those at Sam's Club, but I'll tell you all that information in the video. This project can be under the tree so fast, but the best part about it is you can theme these to the person you're giving it to and make it very personal, and I think that's a wonderful way to give a handmade gift. Project number 4 is an A2 gift card set, and what I love about it is it literally feels store-bought, but you know you made it yourself. We use some acetate and we build our own box to put the greeting cards in that we make. And in this particular video, we even make separate sentiment strips so that the recipient can pick the one they need for whatever the occasion is. So you can really make this personal based on who you're giving the gift to. This is such a fun project to make, especially if you're like me and you like to engineer with paper. It's super fun. But to be honest, this is one you won't use just at Christmas. You'll be able to use this same gift all year round for all different occasions. And I think you'll love having this one saved so you can make it anytime you need it. Gift number 5 is probably my favorite. This is a 1 hour and 15-minute card folio. Now I made this project years ago for the first time using a different paper pack and doing it slightly different. And recently I revisited that project and I still love it. I think it is so fun and super easy. If you want to sit down tonight and make 5 gifts and check them off your list, a couple of pieces of 12 by 12, some A2 cards to put in the pocket, and you are ready, set, and go. Also, if you're a person who makes cards all year long, this is a great way to package them up to give them as a gift for this time of year. It'll make a perfect handmade gift. So there you go, 5 gifts you can still make before Christmas. Now that's not all I have for you. On my channel, we have thousands of videos. There are so many ideas for you, and so many paper projects can be done in the next couple of weeks, and you can wrap them up and give them to somebody special. Now, as always, I want to see your work. So if you make some of these projects, it warms my heart to see you share them on our customer gallery at MaymayMadeIt.com or on our Facebook group, which is called Maymay Made It, and so did I. Share with us so I can see what you're doing. It'll get me into the spirit, and you might even give me some ideas for the gifts I need to make this year. Thanks so much, and until next time, bye now.